Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today's video is folding cloths. And this is an activity from our Activities of Everyday Living area. And at school we've got square pieces of felt material with lines on it. Now I know not everybody's going to have that at home, but what you could use is a material serviette or a face cloth or a tea towel or anything that you have around the house. So if mum or whoever you stay at home with says it's okay, what I've done is I've taken some chalk and I've drawn some lines on our serviettes. I first just did a horizontal line, and then I did a vertical and a horizontal line, and then I did diagonal lines. So you would need 4 serviettes. Just like at school, we have 4 cloths that we fold. So you would need 4 serviettes. If you can't put the lines on, please don't worry. Okay, the lines are there just to act as a guide. So I'm going to show you how we fold the cloth step by step. Right, so I have our serviettes placed on the carpet, and it's much easier to work on the carpet because when working on a table your cloths are going to slip. So I've got our 1, 2, 3, 4 cloths, and if you notice our cloths have lines on them just like the cloths that we're going to use at school. So I'm going to show you how to fold them one at a time. Okay, so this is how our cloths at school, how we would present it and how it would look on our mat. First we would do straight lines and then we would do diagonal lines. I hope you enjoyed that. So folding cloths is a wonderful exercise and the children love doing the folding work at school. This helps with their independence, their confidence and their fine motor skills. And then when they've mastered the art of folding the cloths at school, then we start introducing folding of clothes and how to roll up socks, how to fold a shirt, how to fold shorts, and this is all aiding them to become more independent. So we really encourage this at home. If you've got washing and laundry that needs to be folded, let them help you. They absolutely love doing folding. If you've just washed a whole set of towels and you need them to be folded, let them help you. They really enjoy the folding work at school. And again, this is all to help them with their independence. So I hope you've enjoyed this and have a wonderful rest of your afternoon, and sending much love as always. Bye.